Welcome to scoring. Here you can see a contact engagement score that says 0. Underneath the Conversations tab, you'll be able to see contact engagement scores and manage them inside of your settings account. This allows you to determine how valuable each individual lead may or may not be inside of your account by assigning rules that add or subtract scores to the contact. Let's take a look at Manage Scoring. Underneath the Manage Scoring tool, you'll be able to see several options. Engagement scores can be turned on or off by clicking Publish or Unpublish. In the upper right-hand corner, we can click on Add a New Rule, and below this, we can see the actions that are inside of the account. Let's start from the top, work our way down, and then work on creating and adding a new rule. This action says if an email is open, add 1 point. We can click on the calculation and click on the 3 dots on the right-hand side to click on Edit and make any adjustments to this rule. Below this, if an appointment status is confirmed, it'll add 1 point to that contact record. Next, if a contact replies and has a contact tag of this value, add 1 point. Next, if a contact booked appointment and is in the calendar appointments, we can add 1 point. If we want to remove a particular value, then we can delete them here. In the upper right-hand corner, let's click on Add New Rule. You have several options available. You will see an If A, and these are your options. Let's start from the top. You have email events, contact change, contact tag, payment received, contact replied, form submitted, order form submission, order placed, survey submitted, trigger link clicked, and contact booked appointment, as well as a regular appointment. If we click on an email event, additional options such as a single event will open up, and we can choose from bounced, open, clicked, complained, or unsubscribed. For example, if there is a unsubscribe to an email, we probably want to remove some of these points. So we'll click on Subtract, and let's subtract 2 points. We'll click on Save. Now you can see a yellow icon appear underneath the calculation to subtract 2 points. Clicking and adding a new rule, we may want to add something like a form submission. Whenever a form is submitted, choose Form Is, choose the form, and after the form is submitted, let's add 5 points. Click on Save. Once you're happy with all of your calculations, turn on Engagement Store, and now it is published.